Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to share to you a tutorial on how you can see the meeting code on Google Meet. So if you're hosting a meeting, you can just click on the new meeting in Google Meet and then click on get a meeting link to share. And here are the meeting code on the Google Meet. This RRP RGKB, this one right here without the meet.google.com. That's the Google meeting code, or this one right here. You can see this is the Google meeting code, or you can also click on new meeting and then click start an instant meeting. Okay, so here you see in the text box right here, this is the meeting code. So as the same as before, the meeting code start after the slash icon. So the B1 right here start with B. That is the meeting code. Okay, so that's all from me. That is how you can see the meeting code on Google Meet. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.